Hi guys, a step-by-step guide to walking meditation. Walking, unlike breathing, is learned, but we learned to walk so long ago that it doesn't feel like a skill at all, more like an inbuilt reflex. When we walk, we are mostly in automatic pilot mode, and given that we're navigating too, the metaphor has particular relevance. While walking, we can talk or, if alone, think and reflect on our problems and anxieties. In fact, many of us go on a walk specifically to sort out some difficulty, turning it around in our minds, trying to find resolution. A very different approach to walking is to do so mindfully. You don't set out to ruminate on issues, and if they do arise in your mind, you let them go. You walk in the present moment, attending to your bodily sensations. You can carry out this meditation informally on the go, wherever you walk, on the way to the shops or to a meeting, for example. Alternatively, you can set aside time for mindful walks, building them into your formal program of body and brief meditations. You can also use informal walking meditations to add variety to your practice. Actually, there is no particular technique to mindful walking. Don't rush, just adopt a comfortable regular pace. If your mind strays, attend to the feel of your feet on the ground to return to the desired state. Switch your attention. Alternate between focusing on your bodily sensations and what you perceive around you, perhaps progressing from sight to hearing, then touching anything suitable you see, then attending to any smells. Weather walk. Dress appropriately for walk in interesting weather and experience it through all your senses. Savor such pleasures as the crunch and resistance of snow, the look of sunbeams penetrating dark clouds, the color gradations in a rainbow, or the feel of rain on your face. Songliness. Go for a country walk in spring when birds are singing. Pinpoint individual birds purely from their song, aware of the sound source shifting in relation to you as you walk. Filter overlapping sounds in your mind. Visit a department store and take the escalators to the top floor, observing the abundance and variety of merchandise of all kinds from changing angle. Watch and listen to people as well and hear the sounds of shopping. Or visit a building that stands self-contained in its grounds, perhaps a museum or church in a public park. Walk around the building paying close attention in the moment to all its features and characteristics and the way you view changes. Stand upright in a stable position, arms hanging by your sides. Be aware of your feet in contact with the ground. You might like to visualize yourself as a tree, grounded, majestic, tall. Move your body around a little until you find the sweet spot of perfect balance. Focus on your breathing for a minute or two. Then, when you're ready, shift your attention to your feet. Move your weight over onto one foot, so there is hardly any weight on the other. Then press down on the weight-bearing foot. Relax the other knee. Move that leg forward. Sway your body as necessary to keep your balance, and feel the heel and ball of the other foot rolling on the floor. Do the complementary version of this first step with alternate feet to perform the second step in a forward motion. Attend to all the sensations of movement in your legs, feet and upper body, and to the pressure on the foot and its contact with the floor. Repeat the rhythm of slow, deliberate walking, all the time attending to the sensations as they unfold, and noticing their repeated sensations as well as any changes. Walk forward or turn as necessary within the confines of your space. Let go of any distractions, observing them as they pass without making judgment. Move slowly and purposely with full awareness of all the sensations involved. If your attention wanders, bring it back to the feeling of foot on floor. If you find this practice rewarding, you could do it daily. But 10 minutes or so is recommended, but do it for longer if you wish.